Jamaican rum and whiskey. Put the set off, should've pushed them dead off, wipe the sweat off. Cause if it's one I'm dead off, squeeze that off, then sweat off. Ain't no shit hanging to Brooklyn, army fatigue, bring fatigue to enemies. Look man, you wanna see me locked up, shot up, mom propped up over the casket, screaming masket, crying, know my friends is lying. Y'all know who kills them, seals them with the Lucas on their Lucas on their desert. Dying ain't the shit, but it's pleasant, kinda quiet. Watch my niggas bring the rock, giving cats the opposite of dying. The game turned down when you die, no lie. Lazy eye, I was high when they hit me. Took a few cats with me, shit, I need the company. Apologies in order, to Tiana, my daughter. If it was up to me, you would be with me. Sorta like Daddy Dearest, my vision be the clearest. Silence is so you can't hear it. Competition still fearless, shit. Don't ask me, I went from ashy to nasty to classy and stiff. That's the only time to go to play and pray for my downfall. Pray and pray. Peace and love, everybody. Good morning. Happy Friday, all that good stuff. Man, what a day. Yesterday was quite a day in the markets. You know, quite a few companies gapped up yesterday, which kind of took me by surprise. This is the level of resistance around 320 on the Qs. That's pretty tough or whatever. And I was thinking like it was gonna come out, fire out, and then we was gonna see some type of pullback maybe because that resistance is pretty tough around 320 on the Qs. But it broke through it as if like it was never there, and it kept going. So, which is a good thing because I've been playing tech all week. So today, this morning, wake up and wow, the markets are green. The major indices, the S&P is up over 1%. The Nasdaq is up nearly 2%. The Nasdaq is just going off this morning and whatnot. So we got a lot of gap ups. And again, I talked about gaps, how to handle gaps and how to deal with gaps. Good morning, Rochelle. Peace and love, sis. Be patient with your entries, right? When something gaps up on you, let that thing fall back a little bit and be careful with your entries because if you buy it too high, let's just say if something closed yesterday, closing at $100, it gaps up to 105, right? It shoots out in the morning to 108. You jump in, and it retraces back to close again. So those are things about entry and whatnot. I'll get on that. I'll do a video on that. Actually got a lot of things coming up real soon dealing with that. So let's get to it. Let's look at a couple things we talked about yesterday. I'm not even sure if we talked about Microsoft, but we called Microsoft a few days ago. And it's kind of been not doing, we got in on Monday. We called it on Monday. I did not enter until Tuesday, actually. So we see it fell, bottomed out again. We got a double bottom working right here real quick. Popped out yesterday. I expect, especially what's going on in the pre-market, I expect this thing to pop out this morning. I got me an alert set right around here. I'm trying to see it take out this candle and continue to kind of form a W and really fight for test this high right here eventually. So, but everything that goes up must come down at some point. So I'm not going to fall in love with it. I'm just going to take what the market gives me at this point. To head 2 days of green. So there has to be some type of pullback. So watch for the hook, y'all. You know, don't fall in love with these calls. Get your money, get your percentages, and get on. Yesterday on the channel, we reviewed AMD. And we see AMD has performed pretty well starting here on Wednesday. And yesterday it continued. And today we see. So this is still a good play. If you're in this play, I will hold what I got. Plus, they just got upgrade. It just got upgraded with a price target of, I want to say $110 if my memory serves me correct. So AMD is looking real good right now. But let's look at a few companies that we're going in on today. Let's look at Zscaler. Zscaler. This is a software company that has really performed well. I used to trade it back here. It kind of got lost in the shuffle in my watch list because it got kicked out of my watch list actually because they tend to not have a lot of volume on the weekly contract. So you have to get the monthly contract all the time, and hope and pray that you got volume on that. But I checked them now, and their volume is looking a whole hell of a lot better than it used to. So we'll be going in on this one here. We're gonna swing this thing. It came down, created a new bottom. It consolidated for a few days, and actually for over a week it consolidated, which is a good thing because now we expect some real soon on this thing. So we're gonna get it in early and ride the wave, man. They got earnings coming up real soon. Uh, Next week, actually, if I'm not mistaken, I believe they report next week. So be mindful of that. Get your money, don't get greedy and whatnot. Another one we're looking at is Baba. Baba is back. Baba is back. We've been waiting on Baba to do something and whatnot. So um, really, this is a swing that looking to get in and to swing this thing. Baba is so unpredictable or whatever, but I see it trying to build a trend, and I expect this uh, trend to pick up right up in here. Um, is it as clean as I would have liked? I'm probably a little early, but that's okay. I like this play. I like this move. Swing this thing uh, going forward. That's Baba. And so, what else? Another play we're looking at this morning. Tesla. Everybody loves Tesla. Tesla got that money, and we're gonna get some of it. So we look at Tesla, bottomed out right here, hit the support and bounce, hit the support again, and now it's bouncing again. So um, for whatever reason, when Tesla gets around here in this level, the institutions don't like for it to go below this level. They haven't lately. The one time that it did test it, it bounced and it bounced uh, pretty high after hitting this level of support. So now I expect nothing else. I waited on it. I could have got in. I could have got in right up in here or called it back here, but I waited for it to confirm its move. And I like the trend that is creating right up in here. So we're kind of early on it, but I believe that based off the charts and what I'm seeing on the chart, that it should run because when it gets up in this little area right here, this is a buy zone. Look what happens here. It bounced here before, took off again. Uh, so when it got up in this area, it's also a little consolidation around here. So it may be a little rough for a little while, but nevertheless, it still took off. So I expect none less than that from Tesla. Listen, thank you for supporting the channel. Hit the like button, hit the share button, so we can help. So you can help me grow this channel. Um, and Also send me some tickers and let me know if there's some charts you want me to take a look at for my on the pre-market analysis videos, and I'll do that. Just leave them in the comments and whatnot. I gotta go and check out pre-market in the morning, especially the last half hour. It's very important that you know what's going on with the companies that you're deciding that you're going to trade. So put these companies in your watch list. Keep an eye on them. Do what you do. Peace and love. Have everybody have a great a great Friday, a great day of trading. Be patient and whatnot, and good things have happened. Also, I'm gonna do a weekly recap. All the plays that was called this week in the True Trading Chat. Um, all the plays, every play has been documented and whatnot. I'm gonna show you the percentages of the plays that we are calling um, on a daily. 6 to 8 plays we've been calling all week long. All of them hitters, and I'm gonna do a video about that tomorrow and show you all the results and things like that. So anyway, peace and love.